Hello guys, this is Venu Yadav and I am going to explain the project of SQL on BYJU'S online learning platform. And let's start. BYJU'S, and we have four entities in this. The main entity student, and the other and next one faculty, and other one the courses which are provided by the BYJU'S, and last and final one payments with payments which are done. We just mark them up. And we follow this by the attributes of the student first. We take this separately because we can explain good. The attributes of student entity first. Student ID as primary key, and the next attribute is student name, and this is a composite key. It contains last name and last name and first name. So we'll mark this up, and it is a multi-valued. Last name, and this contains of age of the student, student ID, name, age and email. And the last attribute of the student is mobile number. And this is the attributes of student entity. And let's go forward with the faculty. And attributes of faculty are faculty ID as a primary key, faculty name, and faculty name is the same as student name. It is also a composite key or a multi-valued, because it also consists of last name and first name, so we mark them up. And this even contains qualification of the faculty, email ID, and we are done with the faculty table. Sorry. And here we go with the course. course ID as a primary key, so we underline it. And this is course name. In BYJU'S there will be prices for each course, so we keep price as an attribute of a course, price of the particular course. And when we are taking some course, it is mentioned that how much duration the course will be, so we take duration as one of the attribute, so we keep duration as one of the attribute. Duration. And we have a final entity. We have a final entity, the payments which are made in the BYJU'S. The final entity name is payments, and we mark them. The attributes of the payment is, the most important thing is the payment ID. When we do the payments, we need the payment ID. Because it is a primary key, we should underline it. And it's the payment method. By what way did you pay the fees for the course? It may be UPI, it may be by cards or something, Razorpay or something. This is a payment method. And the amount you paid for the course. When you are doing the payment. And the last attribute of this is, it may be date and time. Date and time. So these are the four different entities and their attributes. This is a payment entity and its attributes, and this is the course entity and its attributes, and the faculty and its attributes. This is the student entity and its attribute. We are making by BYJU'S, and these are the four entities. And let's make an ER diagram for this. Let's take first as student. You can actually don't need to make this. I have this, so I will add this up. This is a student, and I can take this entity towards student and faculty here, student and course here, course and payments here. I take this like this. we keep course here and faculty here, so that you can easily make this ER diagram. We just keep this duration this set so that we can connect student and course together, and this we keep email. And now we are going to the relations. The relation between the relation between the student and course is student studies the course, student student studies student studies the course. And let's join this with this. Student studies the course. Let's remove this so that we can add the relation between the student and faculty. And the relationship between the student and faculty. Teachers. Faculty, teachers, students. So join this by this rhombus. And we are missing two lines here. We add them both. Student name, and this teaches the course. And there will be the relation between the payments and courses. When we are buying the course, we should do the payment, so there is a relation between the payments and courses. And the relation between student and faculty can be many to many. Many. And this is many to many. And the same relation between student and No, this relation is not between student. Sorry, I made a mistake. This relation is actually between the course and the faculty, not between this. Student teaches, faculty teaches many students, and there is also a relation between courses teachers. One faculty can teach one. Studies the course. Many students can study many courses. Sorry, there is no relation between this. So wait a minute. There is an entity of a transaction. When a student buys a course, there will be a there is a relation called transaction in between this. Transaction. At once we can buy only one course, so it is a one to one. And this is a final year diagram of our by BYJU'S on the project of BYJU'S online platform. And this is a final ER diagram of the BYJU'S online learning platform. Thank you.